Now, if we talk about the next one, poverty, if we talk with reference to unequal distribution of income. Yes, this is also a major problem which our country is confronting with as far as poverty is concerned. Poverty in India can also be explained with reference to unequal distribution of income. Efforts have been made by the government to moderate the inequality, yes, or the distribution of income. How? By taking steps like progressive taxation, giving subsidies to the poor producers who are wanting to enter the production. Yes, progressive taxation, I hope everybody knows, as your income is increasing, the taxes will also increase. So steps have been taken to reduce the inequality, but nothing much is it has been done in this field. But and then the next is, but despite all such measures, poverty in India has only tended to compound over time. According to NCAER, which is a full form of National Council of Applied Economic Research, yes, that is, it's a think tank of the economists, yes, as per them, top 20% of the population, that is 53.2% of the total, to these 20% population, around 53.2% of the total income goes. Yes, a major share of our national income goes towards only 20% of the people, while the bottom 40% population, to them only 15.3% of the income goes. So you can see the disparity between the rich and the poor. According to the Monopoly Inquiry Commission, 1,536 companies in the country, they are controlled just by 75 affluent families. They are the monopolists, yes. So you can see how much income they have. Unequal distribution of income not only reflects the size of existing poverty, but also points to the possibilities of widening gulf between the rich and the poor in the future. Now, with huge stocks of wealth, the rich are able to build their fortune, while the poor continue to struggle for survival. So in our country, we have people amongst the richest people in the world, yes, and we also have the poorest of the poor. 50% of the world's total poor residing in our country.